Hey everybody, we just got done drawing Weezing, Finn's favorite Pokemon. Why is it your favorite Pokemon?
It's because I like the look of it.
Okay. Well, this is mine, this is his, and we had a lot of fun with it, didn't we?
Yeah.
Okay, well let's jump into it. Okay everybody, what are we drawing today, Finn?
Weezing.
We're drawing Weezing, Finn's favorite Pokemon. I'm gonna kind of outline a little bit of what we're gonna do with my mechanical pencil, just so that I have a good guide. You guys can do the same thing if you want, but there's gonna be a little circle here, like that, another little circle right here, a little teeny tiny circle right there, like that, and then it's gonna be connected with two little, almost bridges, kind of like that, okay? So that's kind of going to be a guide for how I draw. I also like to put little X's like this, just so I could see which direction Weezing is looking. Weezing has two heads, like two faces. One kind of looks this way, so he's kind of looking out of the paper like that. And this is another one of his heads. He's kind of looking the other direction, kind of like this. You follow that direction. So this little guy is looking that way, and this guy is looking that way, okay? So after you do that, if you chose to do that, you take your Sharpie, and then you could use that as a guide so that everything stays proportionate. Okay, so first thing that we're gonna do, what I like to do is, let's draw the little, he has like little holes around his entire body that spit out smoke. So we're gonna draw the first two right here. One right here, like this, just goes up, over, in.
Up, over, in.
Yep, and the other one is like this. They almost look like little horns, but up, over, in.
Up, over, in.
Okay, then you're just gonna draw an arch. Okay, next one is we're going to draw a little circle like this. Well, the beginning of a circle on this guy. And then we'll connect this like that. Perfect. Then we draw this little guy's smokestack. Burp, burp, burp. And then keep going with the circle. Smokestack.
Oh, dang it.
That's okay. They're kind of all sporadic and random, so.
I'm just doing it right here.
Perfect, that's totally fine. Okay, and then this goes around. And then we'll go straight out on a side. And keep going around the circle that we made. A little one that goes out like this. Go around and stop. And we'll draw his little mouth. So see how we made this little X right here?
Mm-hmm.
So when you draw an X like that or a cross, that is giving you a reference point. That's going to be the middle of his face. So one eye is going to be on one side, one eye is going to be on the other side, and his mouth is going to be underneath this line right here. So we're going to go like this, over and down. That's his little mouth. Yep, and he has a little tooth. And another little tooth right there. And he has a circle underneath his mouth. And then a bigger circle around that circle. Perfect. Okay, now we'll draw his little eyelids. Up, up. Then a little U-shaped dip like that, and another U-shaped dip like that. And he has teeny tiny little pupils. Okay, his first head is done. Now we're going to go down like this, connecting the little dot with a little one down here. And draw the circle right there like this. And you can make this circle kind of squiggly because it seems like his whole body's kind of squiggly, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And then this goes straight into the big part of the Pokemon. And then we'll connect this like this. Okay, next up, we're gonna do the top of his head right here going this way. Yeah. We're gonna draw his eyebrow. So his eyebrow goes like this. Nice. And underneath it is the bottom of his eyebrow. It kind of goes like that. Perfect. And then we'll do a little line right here. And over on the other side of this little cross, this little line right here, we'll draw his other eyebrow. Nice, and then we'll follow this imaginary reference point that we drew down this way. So we followed it. And we'll draw the other side of his eyebrow. Like that. Perfect. Now we're going to draw the two little dips like we did on this guy's eyes, but we're going to draw them right here like this. So first one, we're going to start in the middle, closest to the middle of his face. We're going to go down and up, but see how I didn't connect it to the other side? Perfect, just like that then. I left a little bit of line right there. Okay, same thing here. We're going to start in the middle, go down and up. And two little pupils. Boop. Nice. Okay, now we're going to draw his mouth. Starting right here, he has like a big frown with teeth, so we'll start a little bit lower. And we'll go up, like that. Yeah. Tooth, tooth. And we'll make a little loop like that, a little loop like that, and then we'll make a squiggly. And he has two buck teeth like this. And then underneath here. Okay, now we kind of finish off this round body.
Yep.
Kind of make little squiggles, draw a little smokestack down here. A little more squiggles. Make a little smokestack right here. More squiggles, smokestack. Okay, now we need to draw, it looks like a skull and crossbones almost, his little design. Like we both kind of ran out of room, so we'll try to draw it kind of small. So a little circle like this, and then another circle around it, and at the bottom you have a little dip like that. So it looks like a skull. And then right here we do a V, a bump right there, a bump right here, like a circle. And then we go sideways V, and then sideways V to start the bump, and then an upside down V like this. So
I
it's like,
literally ran out of room.
that's okay, it still looks good. Okay, now that we have his whole body, you could draw like little, because his skin is kind of rough, so you could draw like a little right there, a little right there, just to show that his skin isn't like super smooth. There, just like that. Now we'll draw the little puffs coming out of his little smokestacks. So bump, bump like little clouds. Another one right here. Draw little bumps, and once you draw a bump, you could draw like a teeny tiny bump like this. Makes it look a little bit more interesting. Okay, and then another one. Yours looks so good. I'm actually really proud of you that you use the mechanical pencil to outline because that makes it so much easier to make sure that everything is proportionate. Okay? All right. Ready to color them in?
Yep.
Let's do it. I'm going to put a little line right here. Okay. All right.
There is our Weezing.
All right. All right. There is our Weezing.
I already said that.
Oh, you sure did. So you needed to explain everything that you did because every single time that I get into doing the details and the coloring, you go absolutely nuts with yours. So explain to everybody what you did.
So it's just like forget coughing, 2. And then Weezing is right here, 2. And then a crossbow shooting Weezing on the top of the arrow. And then it says tip, Weezing is poisonous. Dracula. There's a bow and the person on the boat is throwing Weezing. You can see him, he's really far away.
I like how all of your Weezing is written right here, and there's a bunch of little smokestacks.
Yeah, and like a person's catching him with.
All right. Well, we hope you had fun. Give a thumbs up.
Me?
We'll see you next time.
Sharpie.